Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and this one is a really exciting video because I'm doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing. And last time I actually just put my Louis Vuitton unboxing in a vlog, but this time I'm doing a full sit down video to show you what I picked up, and this was for my birthday from my parents. I'm sure you'll all be surprised with what I got, and it's not very expected because it was such a kind of almost spur of the moment thing, but I will explain that because that's not like me to do, spur of the moment. So this is what the new packaging looks like. How gorgeous. It has this little kind of doodle of this figure up here, and then here is what I got. And there's also the receipt here as well. I did get this from Brown Thomas and it came really fast. I think it was like only 4 days, maybe 3 or 4 days, so I definitely would recommend ordering from Brown Thomas, which is the only place that we can get Louis Vuitton in Ireland. But if you want to go and experience the whole like buying, go into the store, but if you just want something quick and easy, order it online. So let's just get straight into this because I'm really excited to show you what I picked up and what the item looks like. If I can just get it out here. I love the new packaging, but does anyone else miss the brown like box packaging? I never got anything from Louis Vuitton in that packaging because when I started my collection they already switched over to the orange, but I love the colour brown, like chocolate brown, so much. I wish that they would bring it back just for like a limited time even, or maybe if I picked up like a vintage piece it would come with the chocolate brown packaging. So this is the item that I got for my birthday. Let's open it up and I'll show you what's inside. Now, as I said in my last video, the store in Brown Thomas has been like reduced, it's tiny, so I hope that they will put it back to the original size again. Okay, are we ready to see what's in here? I haven't done an unboxing in so long, but I plan on doing another luxury unboxing in September, October. This is the flat card holder in Damier Ebene. As you can see, it's the same print that I have my Speedy B in, and it has space here for one card and then it has another space here. I'm sure you could double up though and put like 2 cards on each side. So if any of you are interested in the price of this flat card holder, it was €1.90 in euro. And I am from Ireland, so things here in Europe are going to be cheaper because they were made and manufactured in France. So actually I wonder, does it say where this one was made? It doesn't come with a little slip. Oh, it does. There's actually a section inside as well in the middle, I didn't know, where you can put cards too. So I'm pretty sure this one was made in France because all of the font and the writing is in French. So this is vachette leather, and I went for the Damier Ebene to match my Speedy bag, and I will tell you the reason why I decided to get a card holder and compare it to my Sarah wallet. Made in Spain. This is like my second piece that was made in Spain, and if you don't know, I'm pretty sure the ones that are made in France are worth more, but that doesn't matter because I'm never going to sell this. I literally got it for myself. So now I'll tell you the reason why I went with this particular piece, and that's because on my recent trip to Dublin everything was just card only and not cash, and I was carrying my Sarah wallet with me, and as you can see there's a huge difference in size between the two of these. And the only thing that I basically was carrying this far was for my cards. So it only made sense to change to a card holder for like breaks to the city, trips to the city. A lot of places all around Ireland, some of them like food stalls and like particular activities, they only take cash. So that's why I do like to have a wallet. I know a lot of people in all around the world are probably thinking like, why are you still carrying a wallet? Because everyone just carries cards now and they kind of keep their cash just elsewhere. But here we do have to carry some cash because it is still a little bit old-fashioned in that way. So I will still use my Sarah wallet and just switch it up in between the two. Now I have this since 2018 I believe. And yeah, I love this wallet, but as I said, for trips to the city and specifically for my Speedy bag, and you can also put some cash even in the centre if you wanted to like fold it up. It was an item that wasn't expected because I never mentioned this, but it was an item that I needed like for practicality, and I do plan on purchasing a couple of other card holders to kind of switch it up in between. I love the Gaillard one, I love the Chanel one, which is definitely on my radar for like dipping my toes into Chanel. I definitely want to get one of their card holders first. So yeah, that is today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have one of the Louis Vuitton card holders and if you love it and if you use it. I'm sure I'm gonna adore this and use it every single time. I just want less in my bag. Like when I'm vlogging, it's so much easier to have less in my bag because I usually carry a hairbrush, and I know, like, I'm gonna do another what's in my bag very soon because I am getting a new bag. It's not Louis Vuitton, it's not like high up there, but you will see, and I'll do like what I carry in that bag. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.